In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deactivate your Vantage account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to vantage.markets.com and then log into your account that you want to deactivate. Then from here you'll need to go up to Google on a new page and go up and search for Vantage Market closed accounts, and then the first link should be this one in particular. Then from here you'll need to complete these options form below, where you'll need to enter in your full name that you're used by creating your Vantage account. You'll need to enter your email, you'll need to enter in your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 account number, and you can find that by going upside out the account section over here. And then from here you'll need to click and find right here. It should look something like this. This is a demo account, but will also work with a live account. From here you'll simply just need to paste it inside of this specific option down here. Then from here you'll need to find your UID, which is not your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 trading account number, but it is your profile number. And to do that you'll simply need to go back to Vantage over here, and then need to go up to your profile, and then here you'll be able to see your UID, where you can be able to copy it onto your clipboard and then paste it inside of the form down here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click your country and region that you currently live in and the reason for your termination or deactivation. You can also add additional feedback if you want to do that. But lastly, you simply need to click I confirm that I have closed all open up positions, withdrawn my account funds, and wish to proceed with the closure for my live trading account. Then you'll simply need to click on this and click submit, and within a couple days you'll get an email that says Vantage has deactivated your account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!